Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a transparent header in Shopify. Before diving into the technicalities, it's crucial to comprehend what a transparent header is and why it's a coveted feature among Shopify store owners. A transparent header, as the name suggests, removes the solid color background from your site's header, making it see-through. This effect allows the header to blend with whatever content is placed behind it, usually the hero image or slideshow. Achieving a transparent header involves accessing Shopify's theme code editor. While this may sound daunting, the steps simplify the process. This guide focuses on the Down theme, a popular choice among Shopify users for its versatility and ease of customization. From your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, tap on Themes, then find the theme you want to edit. Click Actions, and then Edit Code. In the Theme Code Editor, navigate to the section folder in the left. Look for a file named header.liquid or similarly. This file controls the layout and style of your theme's header. Within header.liquid, locate the style, tag, or create one if it doesn't exist. Then, insert the following CSS code. .header /wrapper, then background, and transparent, then border, and none. This code sets the header background to transparent and removes any border, allowing the page's background to show through the header area. Navigational elements must remain visible against the background. This might require changing their color to suit a wide range of background images or color. Add the following CSS to adjust the text color. Header, menu /item, then header and icon, then color. Replace hashtag FFFFF6F with a color that best matches your design needs. After inserting the code, save your changes and preview your site. The header should now be transparent, seamlessly blending with the background of your site's Heroes section. The CSS changes apply to both desktop and mobile views. However, you may need to adjust or add additional CSS media queries for optimal mobile display. If you decide to revert the changes, simply remove or comment out the CSS code added to your header.liquid file. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.